In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add discount code in Holiday Extras. If you're booking airport parking, a hotel, lounge access, or a transfer, applying a discount is quick and happens right in the checkout. So let's walk through it clearly from start to finish. Begin by heading to the official Holiday Extras website in your browser. On the homepage, choose what you want to book. You can pick airport parking for your car, an airport hotel for an overnight stay, lounge access for a quieter pre-flight experience, or transfers to get you from A to B. Select the option that fits your trip, then move on to your travel details. Enter the essentials carefully. Choose your airport or destination and add your dates and times. If you're parking, match your arrival and return times to your flight schedule so the quote is accurate. If you're booking a hotel, make sure the night and check-in time align with your travel plans. Once everything looks right, continue to see the results. On the results page, browse the available options and pick the one you prefer. You'll see pricing and what's included. After you select your choice, proceed to the checkout. This is where you'll apply your discount. In the checkout, look for a field that may be labeled promo code, discount code, or voucher code. The name can vary, but it serves the same purpose. Paste or type your code exactly as it appears, without extra spaces. Then click Apply. Give it a moment and you should see your total price update with the discount before you pay. Always confirm that the reduced price is clearly shown on the screen prior to completing payment. Now, a few important notes that are common with Holiday Extras. Sometimes you won't see a manual code box at all, and that's normal. In many cases, discounts are already auto-applied, so the lower price is built into the total without you typing anything. You might also see an Apply Discount link in the checkout. Click it and the reduced price will appear automatically. Additionally, some offers come via special email links instead of a traditional code. If that's what you have, start your booking from that link and the discount will carry through to your basket on its own. If the price doesn't change after you try to apply a code, check that the offer matches what you're booking and that it hasn't expired. Most importantly, make sure the discount is visible before you finalize payment. That's it. Your Holiday Extras discount is applied and you're ready to complete your booking.